In one corner, we've got the veteran. 1978 to 82 Chevy Vandura Class B, known lovingly as Helen. Bought from a woman named Helen, passed down from my parents, and eventually into my hands. She was crusty, she was boxy, she was family. In the other corner, the futuristic heavyweight, the Airstream Interstate 24X. All-wheel drive, solar prepped, $200,000 price tag. It's van life turned James Bond. Today's matchup, vintage versus modern. Which one takes the crown on the road, at the campsite, and in your memories? Let's hit the gas. Helen was all browns. Brown exterior, brown cushions, brown cabinets. The bathtub and toilet, faded white or yellow. Classic 80s motorhome smell included. No extra charge. First trip I ever took in her. Just me and the kids, while the wife was working. Closest campground? Campfire, hot dogs, cards at the table that turned into a questionable bed. Magic. She wasn't a looker, but she rolled, and she taught us how to live less, fix more, and appreciate everything in between. Then there's the 24X. Sleek, blacked out, tactical. If Helen was a family dog with fleas, the 24X is a show dog with an Instagram account. Off-road tires, luxury seats, touchscreens. This thing is built like a tech-forward tank, and it knows it. Helen made me learn. Tire blew. I found a local farm I played at as a kid, hiked to town, and fixed it. Electric fuel pump failed. I bought wire cutters and zip ties. Rewired it in a dusty cardlock gas station. The 24X, it practically repairs itself. Auto leveling, solar charging, multiplex wiring. If it breaks, you probably need a laptop, not a wrench. Modern wins on convenience, but Helen taught grit. Inside Helen, everything was a puzzle. The table folded into a bed. The cab over bunk was drafty, especially before I sealed it up and redid the insulation and panels myself. The 24X, it's swanky. Everything's padded, sleek, ergonomic. Cooking, sleeping, even the bathroom feels like a boutique hotel. But while the 24X is comfy, Helen felt like home. She had squeaks, quirks, and that one cabinet door that always fell open. But she was ours. I bolted solar on Helen, hauled water jugs, and rationed power with a prayer. She could go off-grid, but she needed cooperation. The 24X, it was built for it. Lithium batteries, solar, diesel heater. She could run off grid for days without breaking a sweat. Still, there's something satisfying about earning that hot shower in a vintage rig. Let's talk about cost and value. Helen cost us less than a laptop. $4,000, some elbow grease, and she was rolling. The Airstream, $200,000 plus, out the door. Probably comes with a finance team. If you're after luxury, modern rigs deliver, but if you're chasing memories and don't mind getting your hands dirty, vintage wins every time. We sold Helen after a dozen or so trips. The kids outgrew her. We needed something towable. But I still miss her creaks, her weird angles, and even that yellow bathtub. So, who wins? The Airstream is smarter, stronger, and quieter. But Helen? Helen taught us how to camp, how to fix things, how to bond. So the best RV, it isn't the most expensive. It's the one that becomes a part of your family story. And for us, that rig was Helen.